Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We have some little fuzzy fish for you today. This is my Angler Knives Anchovy. It was made by Turner CNC Machine Shop. So it's the classic anchovy with 3D printed scales and a 3D printed sheath. And in this situation, they both glow. I have done a couple of things to it to make it more to my liking. I put a 90-degree spine on here. So like, if I need to scrape a ferro rod or prep material, I can do so with it. When I first got it, man, it smells good. I added glow-in-the-dark paracord and a mini glownut to it, and I also added glow-in-the-dark paracord to the sheath. It picks up dirt super easy though. Just from anything. From this way this looks, it looks like you could grow a potato patch on the back of my neck, and sometimes you probably could, but it's this here. The color from there is just from it rubbing on my stomach. I'm bad about wiping my hands on my stomach at work, just oil and grease and stuff, and it rubs there and gets this discolored. As well as a lot of my shirts have a spot where the Ranger band will rub a spot on there. But anyway, it's discolored a little bit, which isn't a big deal. It still glows pretty good. I'll have to show you guys a picture at nighttime. The kit that I end up going with this thing is not anything super fancy. I still wanted to accomplish the things that I like to accomplish with it. So I got a ferro rod on there, ferro rod toggle, a custom awl, so it's just smaller than most of my awls. I got 2 pieces of bicycle inner tube, 2 different sizes. I have a Grim Survival or Grim Workshops magnesium dog tag card. I went with that instead of a piece of fat wood. I got a set of Swiss Army knife tweezers poked down in there, and I got a Chem or a glow stick and a safety pin just for picking out splinters and stuff like that. But this accomplishes things that I like to have the option to do. So poke holes, cut things, do some digging with a safety pin if I have a splinter, and tweezers, and have some sort of tinder for fire starting, and I can do that with this. The 90-degree spine, they don't come with a 90-degree spine, but I just hit it on the belt sander. Man, this thing don't want to focus. But I hit it on the belt sander and just really put it on one side. But it's been super awesome. Most of the stuff, that I need to do, cutting this and that and messing around boxes, cutting string, doesn't take a whole lot of edge to do. So this is plenty. I have seen some stuff coming down the line for the Angler Anchovy, and I believe it's being done by Turner CNC, is more 3D printed scales, some of which have the ability to put like 3 fingers on, or there's a bunch of them. You have to just check them out. You can look on their Instagram, but it has longer scales, some that are kind of curved, lots of options. And that could be I think one that gave you another finger would just improve agility a little bit, make it more comfortable for long term. Like if you wanted to carve a spoon or something with it, you could totally do it, but you know, there's not much to hang on to, so you're gonna eventually start having to move it around because it's not gonna find a comfy spot just to rock and roll for an hour with. So I think that would be cool. I don't know what the color options are. I've only seen them in black, but I think a glow color would be pretty sweet. But I've been pleased with this thing. It's a lot of fun. I have an orange one that I believe we're going to do a knife of the month with a little later this year, just because I've never used one for, you know, all of the stuff that we do this small. This month's knife of the month is this guy, Cold Steel SRKC. It's been a good one for 34 bucks. But check out the anchovies. You can get them with like a primitive wrap. Cool little lanyards on all of them, beads and stuff. I like Kevlar. Maybe saw material, like for zip ties and plastics and miscellaneous things like that. But pretty cool. This is just how, like I said, I wanted to outfit mine to do a few things, and this is what it ended up being. Pretty neat. Y'all, I appreciate the support. Follow along on some older things we've done. You can check that out at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram, bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. But I looked, we have 8,000 posts on Instagram since 2018. So there's a lot of content on there. So, you know, it's a lot to have to go back and dig through to look at things, but there's some pretty awesome stuff on there. I've had a lot of fun doing it. But feel free to like and subscribe, follow along. We got much more coming down the line. Haven't even gotten into the Bushcraft project stuff that we're going to do. But again, thanks. Y'all have a good weekend. Angler knives, anchovy. Later.